Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall SoFi app, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the SoFi app, begin by locating the app icon on your device. On an Android device, press and hold the SoFi app icon. A menu will appear with options regarding the app. Select uninstall from the options provided. Confirm the uninstallation if prompted to do so. If you are using an iOS device, press and hold the SoFi app icon until it starts to jiggle. Look for the small X or minus symbol on the app icon. Tap the X or minus symbol to remove the app. Confirm the deletion when asked to ensure the app is uninstalled. For Windows users, navigate to the Start menu. Type Add or Remove Programs in the search bar and select it. In the list of installed programs, find the SoFi app. Click on the app name, then select Uninstall. Follow any additional prompts to complete the uninstallation process. On macOS, open Finder and go to the Applications folder. Locate the SoFi app in the folder. Drag the app icon to the trash bin. To permanently remove it, right-click on the trash bin and select Empty Trash. After uninstalling, restart your device if necessary. This ensures that all components of the app are removed. You have now successfully uninstalled the SoFi app from your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.